The last 2 days of our stay in a Worldmark resort in Summit Village in Lake Tahoe. The weather forecast heralds snowstorms for the next 48 hours, up to 1.5 meters of snow and wind gusts of up to 200 kilometers per hour. TV announcements warn about avalanches and dangers of driving on icy roads. The majority of ski lifts in Heavenly Mountain Resort are also expected to be on hold due to the strong wind warning. Conditions like that are expected to persist until Saturday morning when we leave Lake Tahoe for San Francisco on our way back to Sydney. It looks like the chances for more skiing this season are pretty slim. Our remaining time in Summit Village will be spent on sitting at home, playing cards and watching the world outside the window slowly disappearing under a thick cover of snow. Despite our continuing efforts to shovel the snow around our car at least twice a day to be able to drive to the airport on Saturday morning, the weather and the elements have no mercy on us and quickly change our car into a heap of white powder. Once again, we managed to uncover our hired Nissan. Unfortunately, wiser by our experience gained in the last 24 hours, we realized that we will need to be back soon to clear more snow. However, we are well prepared for our travel on Saturday morning. Snow chains are already installed on the wheels of our car. Saturday morning greets us with beautiful sunny weather. The storm is finally over. We hit the road early in the morning, giving ourselves plenty of time for any unforeseen circumstances. After all, our trip to San Francisco is quite long, and driving on icy roads, even with snow chains, is going to be very slow. On our way, we are rewarded with beautiful views of covered with snow winter landscapes.